If you use WhatsApp on your iPhone or iPad, there's some great news. WhatsApp is finally fixing two of the biggest frustrations Apple users have been dealing with for years. One update makes it dramatically easier to find old posts inside channels, while the other completely refreshes the iPad app with Apple's beautiful new liquid glass design. Here's everything you need to know. Let's start with the feature iPhone users have been waiting for. If you follow WhatsApp channels from news organizations, sports teams, tech creators, or your favorite brands, you've probably experienced this. You remember seeing an important update, but it was posted weeks ago. Until now, your only option was scrolling endlessly through hundreds of posts. Thankfully, that's finally changing. WhatsApp is rolling out channel search for iPhone users, bringing a feature Android users have enjoyed for quite some time. Using it is simple. Open any WhatsApp channel. Tap the channel name at the top. Select the new search icon and type any keyword you're looking for. Within seconds, WhatsApp jumps directly to matching posts. This makes it much easier to find things like discount codes, product announcements, software updates, event schedules, or breaking news without wasting time scrolling. One important thing to remember, this feature works only inside WhatsApp channels. It doesn't search your personal chats or group conversations. The second update is all about the iPad experience. WhatsApp is bringing Apple's new liquid glass design language to the iPad app, making it look much more modern and premium. The biggest visual change is the new floating navigation bar. Instead of a solid menu taking up screen space, the navigation icons now appear inside a sleek, semi-transparent floating bar. WhatsApp has also removed the text labels underneath the icons, giving the interface a cleaner look while leaving more room for your conversations. As you scroll through your chats, the navigation bar gradually becomes more transparent, creating a smoother and more immersive experience. You'll also notice Apple's signature frosted glass effects throughout menus, buttons, and interface elements, making WhatsApp feel much more at home on iPadOS. While these changes don't introduce brand new features, they significantly improve the overall experience and make the app feel far more polished. Both of these updates are rolling out gradually through the App Store. That means even if you've already updated WhatsApp, you might not see the new features immediately. Meta typically releases new features in stages, so they'll become available to more users over the coming days and weeks. Together, these updates bring WhatsApp closer to delivering a more consistent experience across iPhone, iPad, and eventually Mac, with a shared design language and easier navigation across Apple's ecosystem. So, what do you think about these new WhatsApp updates? Which feature are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest Apple and WhatsApp updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.